Good morning, fifth grade. Today we are on Chapter 3, Lesson 9, Place the First Digit. Let's go to Math in My World. At the top of page 209, it says a three-digit dividend, right, that's the number being divided, may not have enough hundreds to divide. If so, the quotient should start at the next place value position. Example 1. Raven received 135 emails over 3 weeks. If she received the same number of emails each week, how many emails did she receive in the first week? Find 135 divided by 3. Well, first we can estimate. 135 is very close to 150, which would represent a compatible number for 3. 3 goes into 15 5 times. And we can transfer that 0. Step 1, divide the hundreds. There are not enough hundreds to divide into 3 groups. There is only 1. So regroup 100 and 3 tens as 13 tens. Divide the tens. 13 divided by 3 is 4. The first digit of the quotient is in the tens place, right? Because we divided the tens, 13 tens. 4 times 3 is 12. So in terms of our order, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat. We did division, 13 divided by 3 equals 4. We did multiplication, 4 times 3 is 12. Now we can sister subtract. 13 minus 12 is 1. Bring down the 5 and repeat. Let's go back to division. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. So Raven received 45 emails in the first week compared to the estimate. Our estimate was 50. 45 approximately equals 50. It is close to it. Notice that our helpful hint tells us what that symbol means. It means almost equal to. Example 2. Find 6,784 divided by 7. First, we can do an estimate. 6,700 is very close to 7,000, which would present a compatible number for 7. 7 divided by 7 would be 1, and we can transfer those 3 zeros. So 7,000 divided by 7 is 1,000. First, divide the hundreds. There are not enough thousands to divide into 7 groups. So regroup 6 thousands and 7 hundreds as 67 hundreds, right? 7 cannot fit into 6, so we made it 67 hundreds. 7 goes into 67 9 times. 9 times 7 is 63. 67 minus 63 is 4. So we did divide, multiply, subtract. Now we bring down this 8. 7 fits into 48 6 times. 6 times 7 is 42. 48 minus 42 is 6, which is 64 when we bring down the 4. Okay, now we repeat again. 7 goes into 64 9 times. 9 times 7 is 63. 64 minus 63 is 1, meaning that that 1 becomes our remainder. So our answer, which begins in the hundreds place, right, because we could not fit 7 into the thousands place, so we said it was 67 hundreds. Our quotient began over the hundreds place. Our answer is 969, remainder 1. So 6,784 divided by 7 is check for reasonableness, we can compare that 969 remainder 1 is almost equal to 1,000, which was our estimate. Let's go to guided practice. Divide. Check your answer using multiplication. Number 1, can 5 fit into 4? No, it cannot. It is a larger number than 4. So we're going to regroup 4 hundreds as 43 tens, and our quotient will start over the tens place. 5 fits into 43 8 times. 8 times 5 is 40. 43 minus 40 is 3. We bring down that 5, which is our last digit, so anything after this is going to be remainder. Repeat. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 7 times 5 is 35. 35 minus 35 is 0, so our remainder is 0, and our quotient is 87. Again, the importance of this lesson is placing the quotient starting over the tens place, because the hundreds place was not big enough to be divided by our divisor. Number 2, 629 divided by 8. The 6 in the hundreds place is not big enough to be divided by 8. So we need to regroup the hundreds place as 62 tens. 62 divided by 8 is 7. 7 times 8 is 56. 62 minus 56 is 6, and we bring down that 9. Let's repeat. 69 divided by 8 is 8. 8 times 8 is 64. 69 minus 64 is 5. We have nothing left to bring down, so our remainder is 5. That concludes your direct instruction for today. Please go on to page 211 and begin working on independent practice. Have a great day. See you soon.